Want to learn how to write testimonials and social proof for clients that actually convert? You've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way to craft compelling testimonials that build trust and credibility for your business. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketer, this is a strategy you can apply right now. So, how do you write testimonials that work? The first step is making sure your testimonials are real and specific. Generic fluffy testimonials don't build trust. You want to dive into specific results your client experienced with your product or service. For example, don't just say, "This software is great." Say something like, "This software helped me increase my sales by 30% in just 3 months. The more specific, the better." Another key aspect is to focus on emotions. A good testimonial isn't just about the features of your product, it's about how it made the client feel. Did it save them time? Did it reduce their stress? Testimonials that connect emotionally are way more powerful because they show real human experience. Now let's talk about structure. A strong testimonial usually follows a basic 3-part formula: the challenge, the solution, and the result. First, describe the problem your client was facing. Then explain how your product or service solved that problem. Finally, highlight the results or benefits they gained from working with you. This structure is simple but incredibly effective in showing the value you provide. Next, ask for testimonials that focus on the transformation your client underwent. People want to hear about change, before and after. For example, you could include something like, "Before using this software, I struggled to keep up with my tasks. After, I was able to streamline my entire process and focus on the things that matter." This kind of transformation is very convincing for potential clients. And let's not forget about social proof. The more testimonials you have, the better, but it's also important to diversify. Don't just have glowing reviews from all your best clients. Mix it up. Get testimonials from a variety of industries, backgrounds, and needs. This will show that your product or service is versatile and appeals to a wide range of people. To take it even further, consider using visual elements in your testimonials. Video testimonials, for example, are one of the most engaging forms of social proof. They let potential clients hear directly from your customers, and it adds an extra layer of credibility. You might be thinking, "That's great, but how do I actually get these testimonials?" The best way is to ask. Make it easy for your clients. You can send them a short questionnaire asking about their experience with your product, what challenges they faced before, how your solution helped, and what results they've seen. Offer incentives if needed. Just make sure they're genuine testimonials that reflect their real experience. Lastly, remember that testimonials and social proof aren't just about showcasing how great you are. They should also highlight your customers' success and the impact you've had on their life or business. People want to see how you've helped others succeed, which makes them more likely to trust you. Key takeaway: when writing testimonials and social proof for clients, always be specific, emotional, and focus on the transformation your product or service provides. Use a simple formula: challenge, solution, result. Diversify your testimonials, and don't forget the power of visual proof. As a quick reminder, if you want to follow along and get access to some software that makes this whole process a lot easier, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial to get started right now.